Today I'm going to make some pimento cheese, and we're going to use it on cheeseburgers that Rick's going to make for our cookout. So I just want to show you the ingredients real quick. It doesn't take long to make this at all. First ingredient is Philadelphia cream cheese. I'm going to blend that up in a bowl, make it nice and creamy. Then I'm going to use half a cup of mayonnaise, a pack of sharp yellow cheese, and this is 12 ounces. Then I'm going to use a jar of pimentos. These are chopped peppers, all ready to go. I'm just going to drain the water off of them. And you can use any kind of roasted red peppers, I believe, that come out just as nice. But I did happen to find pimentos today, which sometimes are hard to find. Then I have a new Tabasco sauce. It's with chipotle. And I think this is a nice way to use chipotle rather than the can of whole chipotle peppers. So this is easier to spread out and nicer to work with. And a little bit of red pepper. Okay, that's the ingredients. I'm going to blend up the Philadelphia cream cheese and put it all together. Let's just get this softened up. Now I just want to get that soft enough to add the other ingredients. Here goes the mayonnaise. Okay, here's the cheddar. You can use white or yellow cheddar. But I think the yellow is the traditional yellow pimento cheese. Let's get that blended in a little bit. I'm going to drain the water off of these peppers. You can see there's a lot of water in there, but I don't want to make this too runny. So let me drain this first. Okay, I'm going to put the whole jar in there because it's a big batch here. I'm going to take some cayenne pepper. You can add salt and pepper if you want, but I think we have the pepper covered and I don't want to add any more sodium, so I'm going to go with that pepper and a couple shakes of this nice Tabasco. And this is something we're going to get a lot of use of around here. Okay, that's going to spice it up. Alright, we'll blend it up again. Oh, it smells tangy. Look how nice and thick. This will be a great topping for those cheeseburgers you're making, Rick. I want to give you a taste first.
Me?
Yeah, come over and taste.
What about my hair?
Oh, your hair looks great. Now this is a great...
Easy for me to say.
See? It looks great.
I thought it was Maud.
Here, try that. That's a nice...
I'm hungry.
A nice snack on crackers, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's spicy though, it's good.
Time to
Okay,
eat.
let's go make the hamburgers. Thanks for watching. Easy.
Woo!
So easy to make this recipe. And it'll make such a difference making hamburgers or when you're having a party, serve it on crackers.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, thanks for watching.